bags, and cell phone. You may place them in the cubby. Once you are seated, buckle your seatbelt and your restraints will be locked momentarily.
Head back, Carly.
Head back.
Head back. Feet down. Head forward. Man, we're both kind of busting.
It's really good to keep career.
What? That guy's Whoa! Ah! I've never been on this ride. Oh, this is kind of crazy. I don't like it either. Hold on tight. Carly, is your lap belt on? Ah! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! What? I have to pee! Look at that kid. What is happening? This is crazy. I don't know. Oh! Oh!